Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is the second in a series of 2 of component focus videos. Lots of things to look at today. Let's get into it. Good morning, welcome back to another beautiful day in the garden. Today is fork day, so what we're going to do is we're going to take out the old springs, we're going to drain the oil, put new oil in, fit Wirth progressive springs, and then the bottom end needs a bit of work in terms of cleaning, degreasing, and then a bit of a paint touch up as well, just to make them look a bit better, give them a bit more protection. Let's get on with it and do it. So, cap off, small upper spring out. Let's drain the oil. Just operate the leg, just to anything. The levels are now good in both forks, so we'll put the new springs in, see how they look, and see if I need to make a spacer. So that's the forks with a coat of primer on them. I think they're looking absolutely fantastic. The yokes or the fork brackets, and there's the upper one, also in primer. So this is fresh out of the freezer. So as you saw earlier, I was working with these suspension brackets, blocks for want of a better word. I needed to remove the bearings. I couldn't get it done in my vise, so I just popped down the road, local engineering firm, who were really good and helped me out a treat, and they've pressed out all those bearings for me. So I'm just prepping these blocks for shot blast and painting. This is the rear suspension linkage. A new taper. Okay, and then a bit of the same again. Got the pin in, it's all greased up, and we've got new rubbers on there. Whoa. Bit of cool rust application, let's go. So these are the original headlight assemblies, looking fantastic. And this is the frame on the back of the assembly, that's been away for powder coat. So rear view and front view. Headlight assembly done. Okay, another exciting point. I've received my rear shock back for the second time. So can't remember if I included it or not, but first time it came back, the shock body's got a chromed area on it, and yeah, it hadn't been re-chromed, and I thought that was going to be re-chromed as part of the process. So here it is, finished result. Let's have a look. Wow. Now that does look good. So you can see in the middle there the chromed section. That was the bit that's just been done on this latest time away, and it's beautiful. So I'm very happy with that. That's now ready to go back in the bike as soon as I get to that stage. Next time you see this, it'll be going in the bike. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I hope it gave you an insight into some of the smaller component refurbishing jobs that go into a big bike strip down and rebuild such as this. The next video will be the start of the rebuild, and I hope you're going to join me on that journey to getting this Africa Twin back together and back to its former glory. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.